Happening today, another Bay Area county is enacting a mask mandate. But before you blame COVID-era practices, you should know that it was a policy long before the pandemic.
Today in the Bay's Kris Sanchez joining us now with more on why now for Sonoma County. Kris?
Well, as you might know, we are in peak respiratory virus season, and while cases are holding steady around California, Sonoma County is asking its healthcare workers to mask up in order to stay on the job during one of the busiest times of year. Now, for years before the pandemic, Sonoma County used a mask mandate for doctors, nurses, and other providers to limit the spread of viruses like the flu and RSV and bacterial infections like whooping cough. Now, several other counties enacted mask mandates starting November 1st. So in Alameda, Contra Costa, Santa Clara, San Mateo, and Napa counties, you've probably already seen your healthcare providers wearing masks anytime that they're dealing with patients in hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, and other healthcare facilities.
We need our healthcare workers during the winter. The winter is the time when we see many more patients per day, and we want to be sure we have a whole and healthy workforce.
Now, while COVID levels are low and flu levels are also low right now, cases of respiratory syncytial virus or RSV are starting to increase. And as we know, with holiday gatherings and travel ahead, we could still see those cases go up. Now, if you have not gotten your COVID or flu shots yet, you are not too late, but you should act quickly if you want to get one because it takes your body a few weeks to build immunity, so you can still get some protection in time for Thanksgiving. Now, the CDC recommends vaccination particularly for children under 5 and adults 65 and older, pregnant women, and all people with underlying health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, asthma, or who are immunocompromised. The respiratory virus season, we used to call it flu season. Now there are more bugs rotating around. That generally peaks in February. Laura?